Do you want to delete archived messages on Messenger? You can remove all archived messages on Facebook Messenger with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to delete archived messages on Messenger. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Archived messages on Messenger are conversations you've hidden from your main chat list. They are not deleted permanently but are moved to a separate folder called Archived Chats. To delete archived messages on Messenger, first, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once Messenger is open, look for the three horizontal lines or your profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it to access the menu. In the menu, you'll see various options. Look for and select Archive. This will take you to your archived chats. Within the archived chats, scroll through the list to find the specific message or conversation you want to delete. If you want to delete the entire conversation, long press on the specific chat in the list. A pop-up menu will appear with various options. Tap on Delete from the menu. A confirmation message will appear. Tap on Delete to confirm and remove the entire conversation from your archived chats. If you want to remove individual messages within a conversation, you can do so by opening the specific chat conversation. Keep in mind that deleting messages from your archived chats will remove them from your archived folder, but it won't delete them from the other person's messenger. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips.